In this video, I will show you step by step how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting in a simple and quick way, even if it is your first time using the platform. First, make sure you have received the meeting invitation. Usually, the meeting link is sent by email, calendar, or message with the title Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. When you find the invitation, click the meeting link a few minutes before the scheduled time to make sure everything works properly. After clicking the link, Microsoft Teams may open directly in the app or in your internet browser. If requested, log into your Microsoft account. If you do not have an account, you can often join as a guest by simply typing your name. Before joining the meeting, you will see a screen where you can turn your microphone and camera on or off. Check if your microphone is working properly and if your camera is positioned the way you want. It is also important to choose a quiet place with good lighting to improve the quality of your participation in the meeting. When everything is ready, click the Join Now button to enter the meeting. After that, you will be connected and able to listen, speak, and participate in the meeting normally. And that's it. Now you know how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.